So next question of chapter 1 real numbers class 10th show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 where q is some positive integer. Now we already know Euclid's division lemma a is equals to bq plus r. Let's add one more condition to it where value of r will be either equal to or greater than 0 but less than b. r की वैल्यू 0 या उससे ज़्यादा होगी मगर b से कम होगी. सपोज क्वेश्चन में अगर b की वैल्यू 5 दी है तो r की पॉसिबल वैल्यूज़ 0, 1, 2, 3 और 4 हो जाएंगी. 4 लास्ट वैल्यू होगी हमारी क्योंकि b की वैल्यू 5 है. इस केस में b की वैल्यू है 6. So a is equals to 6q plus r. Now let's find out possible values of r. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 6 cases will be there in this question. First case 6q plus 0, that is 6q. Now let's break this 6q 2 into 3q. 3q को हम m ले लेते हैं. m की वैल्यू या k कुछ भी जो भी लेना हो ले सकते हैं मगर यहाँ पर हम 3q की वैल्यू को m अज्यूम कर लें तो ये किस फॉर्म में बन जाएगा 2m फॉर्म में. 2m मीन्स दिस इज इवन इन नेचर. सम number multiplied by 2 automatically becomes even in nature. So this is not odd, this is even in nature because it is of the form 2 into m. Now let's see case number 2. 6q plus 1. So when we break 6q plus 1, we will get 2 into 3q plus 1. Let's take m's value to be 3q. This will become 2 into m plus 1. Now this is odd in nature. 2m plus 1. When we write any integer of the form 2m plus 1, this is odd in nature. Let's take an example. If I put m's value to be 5, so 2 into 5 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 is odd in nature. Let's take another value 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 will become 9, which is again odd. Now let's take case number 3. Case number 3, 6q plus 2. We can easily take out 2 common. When we take out 2 common, we will get 3q plus 1. तो यहाँ पर m की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 3q plus 1. ये किस फॉर्म का हो जाएगा 2 into this we took as m. So 2 into m. 2m again when we multiply any integer by 2, we will get it in the form of even number. So 2 into m form, that means this is even. 6q plus 2 is even in nature. Next case, case number 4, 6q plus 3. First case was 6q plus 0, 6q plus 1. Next case 6q plus 2, and now here we are with 6q plus 3. Now when we break 6q plus 3, 6q plus 2 plus 1. See, 6q plus 2 में से हम easily 2 बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. 3q plus 1 बचेगा अंदर ब्रैकेट में plus 1. यहाँ पर इस ब्रैकेट की वैल्यू को हम m ले लेते हैं तो यहाँ पर m की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 3q plus 1. So this becomes of the form 2m plus 1, which is odd in nature. So we have proved that 6q plus 3 is odd in nature. Now let's proceed to the next case similarly. Next case is 6q plus 4. So we can easily take out 2 common here. 3q plus 2, where m will be 3q plus 2. So we will get it of the form 2 into m. Again 2 into m form proves that it is even in nature. 6q plus 4 is even in nature. Let's proceed with the last case, that is our 6th case, 6q plus 5. We can write it of the form 6q plus 4 plus 1. Let's take out 2 common from here. 3q plus 2 plus 1. m's value will become 3q plus 2. So this will get 2m plus 1 form. This 6q plus 5 is expressed in the form of 2m plus 1, which is again odd in nature. So all these 6 cases we have to show which one is even and which one is odd. If we look carefully, we have proved that if the integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5, they are odd in nature, and rest other cases like 6q plus 4 are even in nature.